NASA and SpaceX have officially cleared Crew-11 for launch. Another exciting chapter in space exploration is about to begin, and we're here to break it all down. If you're passionate about freedom and security, not just in space, but online too, stick around. We're also reviewing GoLogin, the ultimate anti-detect browser for private, secure, and unrestricted browsing. Crew-11 is NASA and SpaceX's latest mission to the International Space Station, featuring a skilled team of astronauts, including their objective, continued low-Earth orbit research that shapes the future of space tech and commercial exploration. Now, let's bring the focus back to Earth. Online privacy is under constant attack. Websites track you, geo-restrictions block content, and managing multiple online accounts? Risky without the right tools. Screen. User switching between multiple accounts manually. That's why I use GoLogin. How to download GoLogin. Let's walk through how easy it is to set it up. Go to https://gologin.com. Click Download Windows, Mac, Linux. Install Wizard. App opens. How to set up a profile. Once installed, you're ready to create your first browser profile. Sign into GoLogin. Click plus New Profile. Name, for example, Work Facebook. Select Chromium or Mimic. Add location or use 2 GB free residential proxy. Click Create Profile. You can make as many profiles as you want, each with unique fingerprinting, geo settings, and device configurations. How to use GoLogin. Now hit Start, and your secure browser opens, looking just like Chrome, but fully masked. Profile opens. Accessing geo-blocked site, Netflix, research, tool, etc. No tracking alerts showing. Return later. Profile state saved. You're now browsing with full control, full privacy, and no restrictions. With GoLogin,